Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna learn science and our topic is water. First we will discuss main properties of water. Water can be heated easily. Water is colorless. Water is tasteless. Water dissolves anything quickly. Our various uses of water in our daily life. We use water in bathing. We drink water. We use water to water plants. Things to know. Things to know. We can't live without water. Water's scientific name is H2O. Guys, please like and please share and please subscribe. Bye.